Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off TikTok push notifications, app settings step by step clearly.
Open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to the correct TikTok account. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Look at the top right corner and tap the menu button.
If you see 3 lines, tap the 3 lines icon. If you see a gear icon, tap the gear icon.
From the menu, select Settings and Privacy.
On the Settings and Privacy page, find the section called Content and Display.
Tap Notifications to open notification controls. You will now see the push notifications settings screen. Locate likes and turn the toggle off.
Locate comments and turn the toggle off.
Locate new followers and turn the toggle off.
Locate mentions and tags and turn the toggle off. Locate direct messages and turn the toggle off if you do not want message alerts. Locate TikTok Now or similar feature alerts and turn them off if they appear.
Locate suggested accounts and turn the toggle off.
Locate suggested live videos and turn the toggle off. Locate trending and turn the toggle off if you want fewer promotional alerts. Locate video suggestions and turn the toggle off. Locate activity status or other activity alerts and turn them off if listed.
Scroll down to make sure you did not miss any notification categories. Tap each remaining category and disable anything you do not want to receive. Go back one screen to confirm your toggles stayed off.
If TikTok still sends alerts, open your phone's System Settings app.
On iPhone, tap Notifications, then TikTok, then turn off Allow Notifications.
On Android, tap Apps, then TikTok, then Notifications, then turn off all notifications.
Return to TikTok and keep the in-app toggles off for full control.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.